Rock the boat. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, my little boat stress squeegee. I love this thing. I got it from the Gym Boat, gymboat.com. My friend Jim Edwards does a cruise, a marketing cruise usually every year, but he had a few years off, and we missed last year because of COVID, so we'll see if there's a gym boat this year. But I got this little boat on one of the earlier gym boats, and I still have it because I like stress balls and stress things that help me get rid of pent-up energy. So rock the boat. This is an expression, an idiom that's relatively new. 1914, I'm going to look up his name exactly. William Jennings Bryan. He was an American statesman, lawyer, and politician who ran 3 times unsuccessfully for the United States presidency. But he is famous for saying this quote, and I want to get it right. He said, "The man who rocks the boat ought to be stoned when he gets back to shore." Now, he was talking about people that cause trouble. He was actually a Democrat from Nebraska, and he was talking about men that cause trouble or stir up fuss and trouble for no apparent reason except for maybe personal gain. Sound like anything familiar going on in at least the United States right now? Of course it does. So it's about disturbing an otherwise stable situation, just messing things up for the sake of messing things up. Now, in our businesses and in our lives, when we're growing our businesses and we're creating something, chances are other people are going to believe and judge that we are messing things up. We might be changing the way our industry works. We might be changing the way we do things in our particular line of work or profession. And to a lot of people, they'll be mad and angry and say that we're messing things up, even though we know we're serving people better and we're doing the right thing for the people that we serve, our customers, there are people that work with us in our organization, and everybody that helps us make what it is we're trying to create in the world a true thing and an entity, our business. But people will accuse us of stirring things up and causing trouble, even when our intentions are just to create more value and add more value to the world, to make the world a better place. So my question for you today is, do you rock the boat? And if so, how do you rock the boat? How do you show up as just uniquely you? Because guess what? When you show up in the world 100% as who you authentically are, that in and of itself rocks the boat, because the vast majority of people on the planet aren't out in the world showing up 100% who they are. They're showing a version of themselves, or they're acting as if they're doing something or being a certain way or behaving a certain way, but they're not really being true to themselves and authentically who they are. So when you show up and be the example of truth and honesty and integrity and run your business that way, that is often seen by many in the industry who are used to doing things the way they've always done it. It upsets them, and it gets them a little miffed at you, and they accuse you of rocking the boat, even though you're not. You're just trying to make the industry better. So share in the comments below how you rock the boat today. I may have or may not have been a boat rocker in my day in corporate America, and I like to think I'm still a boat rocker in a lot of ways in the industries that I participate in today. So share that in the comments below. I am traveling, but I will be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it in your business and your life right now? I don't know where I'm going to be coming from to bring it to you, but I will bring you an idiom each and every day during my vacation. Have an awesome time. I guess it's not a vacation. It's a working vacation. Both. Have an awesome day, and I'll be with you tomorrow.